Yes, the names of Samuel, and we are continuing straight away from where we stopped. So in our last tutorial, we saw how teachers can add topic scores for the subjects that they have been assigned to. So in this tutorial, what we are going to do is we are going to add subject remarks and generic skills to the students in S2A for the subject that we were assigned to. So to do that, we are going to go straight to the portal and continue where we stopped. So last time we added topic scores. So today we are going to add subject remarks. So I click a sub-module called subject remarks, and then I select the class that I assigned to S2A, because that's where my subject is for physical education. Then when I search, the students will pre-populate, and then I can give them generic skills and teacher remarks. So in our previous tutorial, we gave Hero H2 2.5 and then John Chivirige 2.1. So I'm going to give these two students as well both generic skills and teacher remarks. So none, by default it is none, which means it has not been given yet. So I'll delete the none and I'll give here H2. So I'll say student coordinates well with other students on the pitch. That's the generic skill I've given here H2. Then for John Chivirige, the generic skill I'll give is student is good at scoring goals and passes the ball well to other team members. So next I'm going to give now the teacher remarks for Hero H2. I'll say very good at football. Then John Chivirige, I'll also give a remark and I'll say good at scoring goals. Yes, so that is it. So that is how we can add the generic skills and teacher remarks for specific all students within a class section for our assigned subject. So after that, I'll scroll down and I save to make sure the data is saved within the system. Yes, that brings us to the end of this tutorial, and in the next tutorial what we shall be covering is will be how to add values exhibited, HM, and those all class teacher comments to students. So see you in the next tutorial, and have a good day for now. Bye.